You're about to take out a loan, and the monthly payment looks perfect. But wait. Next to the interest rate is another number, APR. Meanwhile, your savings account talks about APY. They sound the same, but the difference can cost or save you a fortune. Banks don't always rush to explain the details, but stick around and I'll show you the secret to always spotting the better deal. Section 1. The borrower's side of the story, APR. When you borrow money for a car, house, or with a credit card, you need to watch the APR. APR stands for annual percentage rate, and it's your total cost to borrow for a year. It's not just the interest rate, it's the interest plus lender fees like closing costs or origination charges. That's why federal law requires lenders to show it. It lets you make a true apples-to-apples comparison. So if two loans have the same interest rate, the one with the lower APR is the cheaper deal because it has fewer hidden fees. When you're borrowing, a lower APR saves you money. Section 2. The saver's side, making money with APY. Now let's flip to the other side, making money. With a savings account or a CD, the bank is paying you. Here you'll see APY, or annual percentage yield. This number tells you how much your money will earn in a year. While APR is the cost of a loan, APY is your reward for saving. So when you're saving, you want the highest APY you can find. It means your money is working harder for you. But why is APY usually higher than a simple interest rate? It comes down to one powerful secret. Section 3. The secret sauce, compounding. The secret sauce is compounding. APY includes the magic of compounding interest, while APR usually doesn't. Compounding is simply your interest earning its own interest. Think of it as a financial snowball. You earn interest on your initial deposit, and then you start earning interest on that interest too. Over time, your money grows exponentially. APY shows the true return after a year of this snowball effect. APR, on the other hand, just shows the simple rate plus fees. This is why credit card debt can feel so much more expensive than its APR, because the interest is often compounding daily against you. Section 4. Putting it all together for your wallet. So how do you use this? Financial companies always show you the number that makes them look best. When you're borrowing, they advertise the APR because it looks lower and simpler. But when you're saving, they'll shout the APY from the rooftops because compounding makes that number bigger and more attractive. The rule of thumb is simple. As a borrower, fight for the lowest possible APR. As a saver, hunt for the highest possible APY. This single habit will keep more money in your pocket and put your savings to work. If this breakdown finally cleared things up for you, hit that like button to let me know. And if you want more simple, no-nonsense explanations about money, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. That percentage on your financial statement isn't just a number. The APR reveals the true cost of borrowing, fees and all. Its powerful twin, APY, shows the true growth potential from compounding. One is designed to cost you money, the other is designed to make you money. Now you know the difference. You know what to look for, and you have the power to make sure your money is always working for you, not against you.